Hello and welcome to Learning Session 2 for CTE 4260 Occupational Analysis and Curriculum Development for the summer term, summer 2026. So we'll go ahead and we'll get started here. And I'm sharing my screen, and this is from the home page. So I'll go in and click on Learning Session 2. And it's suggested that this be completed between June 29th and July 5th. We'll click on here to Module 4, and it's called Partner Engagement and Curriculum Development. And first off, about the photo that I'm sharing, I took this on July 4th back in 2021. I was driving from Boise down into northern Utah and then angle around into Nevada and Elko, Nevada. This was taken in northwestern Utah in Box Elder County. Just thought this was a neat thing to take a picture of the American flag, our flag on Independence Day, just flying out in the desert wind there at the entrance back to the ranch. All right, so getting into this module, and again, the title is Partner Engagement in Curriculum Development. Read Chapter 4 from the Conrad textbook. Complete the chapter quiz. Click on here, then go to here and click, and that will get you to the quiz. Then post your reflective commentary. And as you can see, I have posted mine. And then I've provided the extra resource. It's a YouTube video on partner engagement through CTE advisory committees. And if your CTE program does not have an advisory committee, I highly recommend that you do. And the state does require advisory committees, technical advisory committees, or TACs, for state funding to receive added cost funding through the state. This video is from Texas, and it talks about how to put together an advisory committee and who makes good advisory committee members. And the suggested completion date for this module, Module 4, along with Module 5, is July 5th. So right around Independence Day. Now we'll move on to Module 5, which is Technical Standards. And curriculum, your curriculum will be built around industry and technical standards. And the photo, it's another Independence Day photo, July 4th. And I took this in the Idaho State Capitol a decade ago in Boise. So for this module, you'll read Chapter 5, complete the quiz, post your reflective commentary. Here you can see that I have posted mine. And then the extra resource is a webinar, and it's a little bit longer. It's a webinar on CTE technical Common Career Technical Core program of study and industry-based standards to help develop curriculum. And as I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, Module 5, like 4, is due on July 5th. So I want to go back now to the home page just quickly. Don't forget the major assignments, the industry task analysis, which is due July 15th. And the school needs assessment, which is due August 1st. And if you have any questions on either of those, do not hesitate to let me know. And that concludes the introduction and instruction for learning session number 2. And that'll be recommended to be completed June 29th through July 5th. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.